In this video, we will learn how to add a new supplier. In this list, you will find the option suppliers. Click on this. Here you will find the option to add new. Click on this. Add the details here. Company name. The red ones are the compulsory or the mandatory details that you should be filling. Brand name, GST number, payment terms. The company will be making the payment on advance basis or credit or SOR, whatever the mode is, you will click on it. The first name of the person, last name. You can also fill the email address and the phone number here. Now, here are some other details like address and city. Now click on save. New record has been added successfully. See, we have just created this. Alright, so that's your page. You will find these three options. Now this is self-explanatory, like when you want to delete this data, you will click on the delete button and the data will be deleted permanently. Another option is these three lines. Let's click on this. Here you will find supplier basic information like company name, phone number, GST number and the supplier order details. Also here we have this option view items. Let's click on this. So this view items refers to all the products or the items that this supplier is actually offering or supplying. Alright, now another option is this pan icon. Now if you want to make some changes in the phone number or the name or the email address for this particular company name or brand, you will click on this. You can even edit the company name if there is any. Or let's see, most of the times what happens that the supplier starts with the advance payment option and then switches to credit. So you can make the change here and simply click on save. The record has been updated successfully. Alright, so that's how you can use these three icons. And here at the bottom, you will find the option reports. Click on this. Here we have suppliers reports option. Let's click on this. Alright, so now here you can choose the date for which you want to check the supplier report. So basically supplier report will give you insight into supplier's performance. Choose the location for which you want to generate the supplier report. Here, choose the supplier. So basically you are checking the supplier, this supplier report for this store and for this duration. Let's click on generate report. Alright, the report has been generated. Now you can simply export this report as Excel sheet. The report has been exported and saved to your desktop. So you can go to your desktop now and view the report. This will give you a clear understanding of how your supplier is performing. Hope this helps. Thank you.